Well, I guess what was formerly known as Google Docs is now Google Drive. It's again very simple to use, very user friendly, and makes sharing information and editing in large groups basic and simple to do. So again, first of all, if we're going to be on the internet again, open up a web browser, going into Google, again where we know where our Google Plus profile is, our Gmail, our images. This grid, if we open it, click on it, shows us to everything that we have. So going to Google Drive, these are all documents that have been shared with me that I have access to edit and to see. Um, it's very neat because instead of having to email a document to someone for them to edit, then they send it back and you edit more and send it back to them, the edits that you make are shared instantly and people can see it as you're doing it if you're working at it at the same time. So the way I've used it a lot is I'm from Canada and I'm involved in water skiing and creating coaching courses and things like that. So we share that with each other and we get in a group that we can see what the other person has worked on and what we have to finish up or things like that. Um, so documents of all types of, it's not Word or Excel, but it's the Google version. We can, they get shared with you and you can see who has access to them and who can edit or if it's just something you can look at. You can also create a document, a presentation, a spreadsheet. So a spreadsheet would be like Excel, document would be like Word, and we can also create a folder. And this just helps to keep things organized in your Google Drive. This way, if it depending on what the document or presentation is for, you can move it into that folder, and everything for your Kines 205 class can be in one folder, or everything for work can be in another folder. You can share this with whoever you have on Google, I guess like a friend, if you will. You can also upload files and things of that nature. If it's something that you've worked on without Google before, you can upload it and people will then be able to see and edit if you want them to. Um, it's again, Google's done a great job of making it user friendly. If it's pretty straightforward once you've come into it, but it's a big help for doing things with groups. Another neat thing is that you're able to connect Google Drive right to your computer or your desktop and have it as an app on a Mac so that it is this very easy sync between all your files and your Google Drive files. If you are someone who uses Google Drive very often and you probably have done this already. I have not. I only use it for a few things. I might by the end of this week, as we're going to be using it more and more for this class. But along the left, where you create and upload, you can also see things that have been shared with you by others. You can see things that you've created. You're able to star things, as in favorite them, and always know where they are. And again, organizing them into folders helps with that as well.